let's jump right in. Welcome to this explainer, Master Detectives and Super Learners. I gotta tell you, I am literally so thrilled you're here today, mostly because we've got a very special case to crack. We're jumping straight into what I like to call the ultimate bonus challenge. So grab those magnifying glasses, get those thinking caps on tight, because we are gonna solve a massive numerical mystery together. Let's do this. Now, what's super interesting here is that we're looking at a giant number line, stretching all the way from 41 to 50. I mean, at first glance, it looks like a perfectly normal sequence, right? But hold the phone. If you look just a little closer, you'll see that some of these numbers have mysteriously vanished right into thin air. Oh no! So, our mission today? We've got to find those missing pieces and put this number line back together.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to walk down our number train track step by step, starting right at the beginning. Notice how our progression is laid out, kind of like minutes on a clock. We start off really strong at minute 41. But wait, look at minute 42. There's a massive gap. Then the track picks back up at 43, 44, and then, boom, another empty space right at minute 45.
All right, let's put those detective hats on and check the clues. We absolutely need to fill in that first blank if we're going to keep our train moving forward. Look at the sequence we have so far. We're starting at 41. So what number comes right after 41? Go ahead, shout it out for me. Bingo, it's 42. Look at that 42 stamp right onto our train track. You absolutely nailed it. You know, just by looking at the number that came right before it, we could deduce exactly what was missing. Fantastic work.
Let's keep this momentum going right down the track. We've got 41, 42, 43, 44, and we've hit another empty space. Time to put those detective skills to work again. Look at the progression we just built. What comes right after 44?
45. What a brilliant deduction. A shiny new 45 just popped right onto our track, perfectly bridging that gap. You are really getting the hang of how this sequence flows, aren't you?
Let's move forward and see how this builds on the second half of our track. We are practically done reconstructing this whole sequence. We pick back up at minute 46, rolling super smoothly into minute 47, but look right there at minute 48, yep, another missing piece. And then the track finishes up nicely with 49 and 50.
So, this is it, the final missing piece of our puzzle for this train track. Look really closely at the numbers surrounding that gap. It's hiding right there in the middle, right after 47 and right before 49. Any guesses what it is?
48! You did it! We completely filled in the whole train. I mean, just look at the masterpiece you reconstructed. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. That is some absolutely amazing detective work. Seriously, you should be really proud of yourselves.
Well, we fixed the train. But wait just a second. Don't put those magnifying glasses away just yet. There's a little surprise twist to this explainer. We actually have a secret mission. Hidden right inside this perfectly ordered sequence is a very specific group of numbers we need to track down. That's right, we have to find the odd numbers.
Okay, before we start searching, let's make sure we know exactly what we're looking for. So, the crucial point here is understanding the definition of an odd number. Basically, think of an odd number as, well, a bit of a loner. When you try to pair everything up, an odd number is the one that always leaves a single item out, totally without a partner. It just doesn't divide perfectly into pairs. Make sense?
Now that we know exactly what to look for, take another look at our newly fixed number train. Can you spot the odd numbers hiding in our list? Grab your magic finger pens. Come on, hold them up right now, I'm waiting. And help me swish, circle, and spot the odd ones hiding all over this sequence.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we are hunting for. Look at those glowing circles popping up. Our odd culprits are 41, 43, 45, 47, and 49. Every single one of these numbers is a loner that leaves one item out without a partner. You spotted them perfectly. 41 is odd, 43 is odd, 45 is odd, 47 is odd, and 49 is odd. You honestly cracked the code like absolute math geniuses.
Boom. Case closed. You completely reconstructed the missing sequence, and on top of that, you successfully identified all those hidden odd numbers. So, for your incredible efforts, you have officially earned the ultimate detective gold star today. Go ahead and give yourselves a huge round of applause, because you have certainly earned it.
You absolutely mastered cracking the code from 41 to 50 today. But, the world of math is infinite, and it's full of crazy mysteries. So as you look at sequences all around you every single day, what numbers will you investigate next? Keep exploring, keep questioning, and I will see you on our next mission.